Okay, I got a little bit of a brake noise on this right front, and let's see. There is plenty of pad back here. Looks like they were very recently changed, so there's no scoring in the rotor. So I'm trying to debug it, and one of the things I had read was that the caliper pins may need to be lubed, but these are sealed, and the rubber still looks good on them, and they're flexible and feel okay to me. So I'm just going to button it up and put it back together. But my question is, where might I apply some brake grease? I'm going to try on the shoe, or on the pad rather, thinking that maybe the calipers is the squeak. I don't know. I also obviously tried to pry this back a little bit, thinking that maybe the guards hitting. And this dude looks like as the steering arm comes over, like maybe it's popping into here, but there's no evidence of that. There's no marring on the guard, so kind of at a loss. Any ideas? I would appreciate. All right, hope your day's going well. Adios.